Alright guys, so this is the end of day 3. So we currently have uh, 30 orders. Okay, so of course we're using what we have here to look at that. So we have 30 orders uh, that has been generated. Okay, so this is brought in. Let me see just what it brought in. 7. Let's see. It's brought in 5. It's brought in 7. So total of 12 purchases yesterday, and $30 spent. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to optimize further. Okay, so just like we said, we're going to optimize by placement and device. Okay, so what I want to do now is come over here, go to this CBO, and all we got was from this broad targeting. Interesting. Okay, so we'll do that on this broad targeting. So let's duplicate this, have that on its own campaign. So let's go to campaign and let's call this broad niche by placement and device. Okay, so we know exactly what we have there. So let's duplicate this. Okay. So we'll do broad targeting by PD, and that's placement and device. And we're not doing 20 USD, we're doing 15 USD. Okay. So we basically are going to remove Instagram, right? Let me see something first. This breakdown by delivery platform and device. Okay, so Facebook Android. So we'll have majority on Android, also Facebook Android, which is what we talked about yesterday. By the way, I just wanted to be sure that that's where we're still getting the results from. So Facebook there, and devices, Android devices only. Okay, so we're going to do, and use a higher version. Okay, so let's do 6, from 6 upwards. Even let's do let's do marshmallow upwards. Okay, so that's it, right? Okay. So that's about it. We are just going to publish. So far we spent around 90 something dollars, okay, which is around 30K, right? Of course, we've made more, by the way. So, made more. If we only have just 70% of these uh, orders go through, so if we have even just 15 delivered, some people ordered two packages, two yeah, two packages. So if you do the calculation, you see it's going to be over. So we are not losing money at all. Instead, we are in profit. We're in good profit. All right, so that's that, and it's not in review. So it's in review, and once it's been approved, see how things go. So tomorrow will be the last day for this um, this case study. All right, so tomorrow is the end of it. So let's see how it's early mornings around 12 or 12 something. Okay, so that's why you can see it was reading yesterday. The time now is actually overslept. I thought I was going to call me exactly 12, but it's exactly 12 something. Okay, I think the last order here is about to 1, so it's like it's still behind on the right path so far. So that's it, guys. So let's see what the next 24 hours brings us. Okay, so that's it.